China is looking at ways of expanding its space exploration capabilities, including through a vehicle similar in appearance to NASA's Ingenuity helicopter. A prototype of Mars surface cruise drone passed its final acceptance review August 20 the National Space Science Center under the Chinese Academy of Science announced Wednesday. The rotorcraft was one of 3 projects in technology cultivation program promoted by the NSSC. The vehicle project was led by Bian Chunjiang of the NSSC and features a microspectrometer. The concept could be considered for future Chinese Mars exploration, but the NSSC did not identify a mission on which the drone may fly. China's first Mars mission, Taiwan-1, entered orbit around the Red Planet in February. This feat was followed by a successful landing of the roughly 214 kilograms solar-powered Zhurong rover in May. China's next Mars mission is currently listed as a sample return mission, launching in the 2028 or 2030 launch windows. The China Academy of Launch Vehicle Technology in June outlined a study of propulsion needed for future long-term crew expedition to Mars, including precursor robotic missions. The study identified favorable launch windows but did not provide a timeline for either the crewed or uncrewed missions. The concept of flying a craft on Mars has recently been verified by NASA. The Perseverance rover landed on Mars in February, carrying within the 1.8 kg Ingenuity helicopter. The vehicle made the first powered fly by an aircraft on another world in April and conducted its 12th and most recent fly August 16, covering an horizontal distance of 450 meters across 169.5 seconds of fly. NASA is now examining concepts for larger, more capable rotorcraft for future missions. The agency will in 2027 launch the Dragonfly drone to Titan, the largest moon of Saturn, arriving in 2034. Dragonfly was selected as a new Frontiers planetary science mission. China's own pursuit of flying an aircraft in the thin Martian atmosphere is not new. The concept from the Xuesen Laboratories of Space Technology was considered for the country's 2020 Mars missions. As well as a rover, the ambitious proposal included 3 ground penetrators to be released during descent and an aerostat which would operate at an altitude of between 1 and 5 kilometers for 1 week. The objective would have been to obtain 3-dimensional, multi-layer and multi-source information with one landing. Entities including the Beijing Institute of Spacecraft System Engineering and Zhejiang Aerospace DFH HIT satellite, both under the China Academy of Space Technology and Beihang University, have been embarked on work on concept architectures for Mars exploration. The first is a winged drone design chosen over a helicopter due to the challenges of high rotation speed and requirements for an ultralight structure and high-efficiency powered system posed by the latter. The drone would lift off vertically from the surface of Mars before pitching and deploying its wings. The vehicle would have a range of tens of kilometers, collecting and potentially analyzing atmosphere and surface samples. It would also be capable of entering otherwise prohibitive environments such as canyons and craters. The group also put forward a balloon concept. The system would seek to take atmosphere samples at various altitudes for analysis, while also returning high-resolution imagery and other data. China's Taiwan 1 mission carried surprise in the form of an ejected deep space camera and a rover-deployed camera to allow a joint rover landing platform photo, with innovative and newly proven concept already being developed. Competition for a place aboard future Chinese exploration mission is likely to be strong.